Good morning, everyone. Last class, we have studied about this number line system when we have to plot this Wavy curve method. In the Wavy curve method, we have to see like when x minus 1, x minus 3 will be greater than or equal to 0. Right. So we know that we have to like apply right few concept on that when we have to say if this will be greater than 0. Right. So we are starting with that again. Right. So look into this, right? Example, if this is given x minus 3, x minus 1 greater than or equals to 0, right? X minus 3, x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. We know that it's equality sign, this holding the equality sign, right? So at 3, this will be 0, right? At 3, it's 0, but other than 3, the function not 0. So if we want to go for like how it's going, x minus 3 upon x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, right? The step first is you have to make the number line, right? Know that? You have to make a number. And in this number, we are thinking that each and every number is given in this number line. And these two numbers are given in this case, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. This will be 0 at 1 and 3, right? At 1 and 3, this will be 0. And we know that at 3, this will be taking the equality sign, but at 1, this is not taking the equality sign. So at 1, this will be open. At 3, this will be closed, right? Now, the step third, we know that what we have to do, just you have to check the sign when we are going for x greater than 3. Put any value x greater than 3. We know that if you will put the value x is equal to 4, you are getting this as positive, this is again positive. So both the numbers are positive, right? Both the numbers are positive. So you are starting with positive, and alternatively, you have to change the sign, negative and positive. Now, from this, we have to plot the waves. The wave for the positive, we know that it will come from the positive side, go to the negative one, then again the positive side, right? So this is the wave. And look back into the question, right? In the question, it is given that this whole quantity must be greater than or equal to 0. We know that the greater than or equal to 0 means the positive part, and the positive part in this case is this is the positive part and this is the positive part. Both the cases are the positive part, but here this must be open at 1 and at 3 this must be closed. So overall, in this case, we can say when we have to write down the answer, right, we have to write down as minus infinity to 1 open, union 3 to infinity, you know the meaning of 3, right? 3 close to infinity. Hope everyone is getting this, right? Last class May, just we have ended with this only, right? So now we are going for one more thing. How, like if I'm writing right, Ananya, you want to ask anything? Please go ahead. Raise your hand, please. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
in this question, is it taken by default that it will be positive, negative, or do we need to substitute values and then? No.
Okay. Always you have to take the sign of the greatest one, right? See, in this case, we are saying ki let put the value, put any value. So let the value is 4, right? I'm putting x is equal to 4, right? But you have not to write this, right? Only you have to think you are putting the value x is equal to 4. When we are putting the value x is equal to 4, you are getting 4 minus 3 upon 4 minus 1. This is always greater than 0. So we are saying for any value, right, x greater than 3, for any value greater than 3, we are saying that this must be positive. And that's the reason we are saying that this is the positive portion. And if this is positive, this is coming as the negative one. Alternatively, this will change the sign. And then this is coming as the positive one. But what we required, look back into the question. In the question, it is given that this whole quantity must be always greater than 0. Right, this is greater than equal to 0. The equality sign giving by x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. But right, equality sign given by x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1, it's not equal to 0. At 3 it will be 0, and greater than 0 sign is given by this quantity and this quantity. So you are writing the answer as minus infinity to 1 and 3 to infinity. Is it okay, Ananya? Right? So every time you have to put the value, and the safest value you have to put the value the greatest one, right? The greatest one you will put the value, like in this case x minus 3. In the number line you are putting the value x is equal x greater than 3, so the value is 4, right? Try this one. 16849. Done. If you're done, write down yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. See. So in this case, what we are doing, just make a number, right? It's starting from minus infinity and going to infinity, right? What are the numbers? You have to put the numbers as 1, 4, 6, 8, and 9, right? All the numbers are given. You have to put each and every number that's given here, right? So first thing what you have to do, just check out the question, right, where it has to go, right? And you have to put the values, something like this, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Step second, just you have to think on that, key, like where this will be 0 and where you have not to take the 0. We know that if it is given, right, in the denominator will never be 0. So at 4 and 9, this must be open, right? But at 1, 6, and 8, this must be closed. 1, 6, or 8, this must be closed, right? The first thing, right? Next. Now, what we require, right? We have to check the sign when x is greater than 9. When you are putting any value greater than 9, let's suppose we are putting x is equal to 10, right? See, right? This 10 minus 1 positive, 10 minus 6 positive, 10 minus 8 positive, 10 minus 4 positive, this positive. So overall, what we are getting is positive, right? We are getting the number positive. Now, alternatively, you have to change the sign: positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Now, you have to make the number line, right? Now, this is the number line. Now, you have to draw the wave, right? That will start with the topmost right. It's positive, so it's coming from, wave is coming from positive, going to negative, then again positive, then going to negative, right? Then again positive, then going to negative, right? So this is our wave, right? Look back into the question, right? What is question? The question is saying this whole quantity must be greater than equal to 0. We know that greater than equal to 0 means, we have to see the positive one, right? So this person is positive, this person is positive, this person is positive. But we have to be careful with this, right? uh, Equal to 0 or not equal to 0, the closed and open part. So now we have to write down the answer, right? So just we are starting with the answer where this will be positive. 1 to 4, 1 closed, 4 open, union. 6 to 8, right? 6 to 8, 6 closed, 8 closed, union. 9 to infinity, both open. This is x belongs to, this is read as belongs to. X belongs to this quantity, matlab means if you will take any values when x is lying between 1 to 4, 6 to 8, 9 to infinity, or 6, 8 and 1, then you'll get either this whole quantity will be either positive or greater than 0 or equal to 0. How many of you got the right answer? Please write down yes on my chat. Very good, Vaishnavi. Oh, very good, everyone. Very good, Anand. Rakshit, very good. Careful, Shikhar. ये गड़बड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए, right? One more question we are doing this time, expecting, right? कि everyone has to go complete correct answer. Do it fast. Careful रहना, थोड़ा सा चेंज है क्वेश्चन में. Very good. Let's start. मैं start करूं? Very good, Samro. Hari, very good. Okay. Let's start with this, right? This is the number line, right? In this number line, we have to think about the numbers starting with -9, then -4, then 3, 5, and 6. Now, you have to think where this is positive and negative, right? But before that, you have to think at 3 and 5, it must not be equal to 0. In both the place at 3 and 5, there must be an open bracket. But each and every values other than 3 and 5, it must be closed, right? Now, the main thing. Now we have to put value, any value greater than 6 on the given question. See, you are putting any value greater than 6, right? This will be positive, this will be positive, this is positive, this is positive, but this is negative. So automatically this will start with negative and go alternatively with positive, negative, positive, negative, right? Now we have to draw the wavy curve, right? We have to draw the waves, right? The wave will start from negative. It means the wave will start from negative, right? Once again, we can put the value greater than 6. Let the value greater than 6 we are taking as x is equal to 10. The value we are putting x is equal to 10, right? If you are putting x is equal to 10, so in this case, you are getting 10 minus 6 positive, 10 plus 4 positive, 10 plus 9 positive, 10 minus 3 positive, and right? And but the last one, 10 minus 5, right? It is given 5 minus 10, right? So 5 minus 10 is negative. So this is coming as positive, this is coming as positive, this is coming as positive. The all three are positive, but in the denominator part, one is positive, other is negative. So what we can say, like 3 positive and 1 denominator positive and 1 negative. So overall, this will be negative. Overall, this will be negative, right? So any number, right? Any number greater than 6 will be negative, right? If you can put 10, you are getting negative. For any values, you'll get negative, right? So that's the reason you are writing any value greater than 6, right? It will be negative. Yes, please.
Sir, as it is, sir, as the sign minus sign was in downwards, so it came minus. But if it will be on up, it will be upwards then.
Uh, just a minute now. If you are multiplying -2 into 3, is positive or negative?
No, no, sir.
No, no, yes, sir. Tell me now. -2 into 3 is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, right? 3 by -2 is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. 1 by 3 and minus 2 is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Minus 2 by 3 is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. What is the meaning of this? If one number is positive, other is negative, so plus into minus will be always minus.
Sir, I
Right?
am not
It means,
asking that.
please
I'm
go ahead.
I'm asking if minus sign will be upwards in numerator place, then what will be
Mhm.
the sign, plus or minus? Like that, that was 5 minus x.
Mhm.
If that will be in numerator place, then what will be our equation? What will be our
Exactly,
waveline?
exactly that I'm saying in this example. I'm saying if it is given in any case, it's numerator and it's in denominator. Both are in denominator. One is numerator, one is denominator. Both are in numerator. In all the cases, if you'll see what the concept is, if one number is positive, it may be numerator or denominator, and other number is negative, so the product will be negative,
Okay,
right?
sir. Okay, okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
See. So in this case, the previous case, what we have done, right? See, in the previous case, what we are doing, this, right? In this case, you can see this, if you are putting any value, right? Any value greater than 6, right? Any value greater than 6, right? In this case, what you are getting, like 10 minus 6, this is,
Zero.
right? 10 minus 6 is
Positive. Positive.
positive, positive,
Positive. Positive.
positive, but
Mine
negative.
negative.
So overall, you are getting one negative sign and lot many positive signs. So positive into positive will be always positive, but one number is negative. So the in the numerator or denominator,
The
no
product
matter,
will be
maybe
negative.
it will be negative. That's the reason greater than 6, it's coming as negative. So, and we know that it will go alternatively. That's the reason it's going plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Is it okay now?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Right. So we have to start negative, means the wave is coming from down, then going up, then again down, then going up, then again down, then going up, right? Thus. So what is our requirement? This is greater than equal to 0. So this person positive, this person positive, and this person positive. So overall, what you are getting, minus infinity to minus 9 union, minus 4 to 3 union, 5 to 6. How many of you are getting this one? Very good, Tanis. Sushant, very good. Salman, very good. Ankita, Rudras, very good. Rasi, very good. Likit, very good. Hari, Durgesh. Any doubt or any problem? Anyone want to ask anything? No? Okay. Right? So we have to be careful with positive, negative sign. You have not to put every time there's a positive or negative, right? So carefully, you have to do this, right? See, one more. One more example for you. X minus 3, 5 minus x, 7 minus x minus 10, x plus 1, and 1 minus x, right? Less than 0, right? Less than 0, find solution. Careful, मैंने 2-3 changes अब किए, धीरे धीरे you have to go for the perfection, right? Do it. Yes, Rahil, sign will become alternatively. Huh? Like up to this concept, it has to come alternatively. आगे जाने पर it will change. But right up to this concept, it's going to be alternatively. Okay, let's start. ये रहा, right? The numbers are -1, then 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, right? Where this will be positive or negative. But before that, we have to see where this will be closed and open at -1, 1, and 10. This will be open, right? Other points will be closed. 3, 5, 7. Now we have to try a number greater than 10, right? Any number greater than 10, like 20, 20 minus 3, positive, negative, negative, दो नेगेटिव आ गया है, पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव, एंड थर्ड नेगेटिव, 3 नेगेटिव, Ananya,
Sir,
want to ask anything? Right? Okay, but right, I'll come to that. Right, this is given, this is given less than 0, so these closed will be going to be open because this is given less than 0. So again, these three will be open in this case, right? So everything will be open. यहाँ पर अगर equality sign होती, then only it has to be go for closed one, right? So it's not going to be closed. Everything will be open, or we can say this open, open, and open, right? Now we have to try any number greater than 10. any number greater than 10, like 20, if we have seen this is negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So our number line will start from negative, means it's coming from downward, going up, then down, then going up and down, and going up and down, right? What is the requirement of the question? This is not given, right? What is the requirement of the question? Less than zero. Less than zero means, right, negative portion. This is the negative portion, this is the negative portion, this is the negative portion, this is the negative portion. So 100%. Now we can write the answer: minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to 3, union 5 to 7, union 10 to infinity. How many of you got the right answer? Please write it down. Very good, Salman. Everyone, very good. Hitansu, you want to ask anything? Yes, please.
Sir, I did not understand why you start with -1.
Because it's coming as minus. Put any value greater than 10. What would be the value?
Minus 1 minus x 1 there na.
Not due to that. You have to put in each and every case. You have to put this value. Like what number you'll choose greater than 10. Choose a number that's
15.
greater than 10. 15. Right. What is the value of 15 minus 3? Is positive or negative?
Positive.
See, one positive, right? 5 minus 15 is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, right? 7 minus 15, positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, right? Upon 15 minus 10, positive or negative?
Positive.
Right? 15 plus 1, positive or negative?
Positive.
1 minus 15, positive or negative?
Negative.
3 times positive, 3 times negative is coming, right? 3 times positive and 3 times negative is coming, right? So what we can say about this? This whole term will be positive or negative?
What, sir?
See, there 3 positive terms are coming.
Yes, sir. And 3 negative terms.
3 negative terms are coming, right? In this, right? So 3 positive and 3 negative terms are coming. What we can say, the overall multiplication and division will be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So means you are putting any value greater than 10, so you are getting negative. So that's the reason we have put negative sign. Then alternatively it will change sign. So alternatively it's changing its sign to positive, negative. So this is you are getting. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one more doubt.
Yes, please.
In fifth one, that is x plus 1. From that you had taken -1. Yes, sir.
X plus?
X plus 1, fifth one.
Uh,
From there it
yes.
comes -1 as sign is changed.
Not sign change. Look into that way. He put x plus 1 is equal to 0. What the value of x you are getting?
Okay.
-1. So that value you are putting here. No? You just every time you have to put each and every quantity as 0. What value you are getting, that you have to put in your number line. Right? In the question, it was given less than 0, not equal to 0. So that's the reason we have to take each and everything must be open, right? अगर क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन रहता है कि इट मे बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू जीरो बट इक्वलिटी साइन इज नॉट गिवन, दैट्स द रीजन वी हैव टू टेक ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ओपन, राइट? लिखित रुद्रा.
Okay, sir.
Rudra, is it okay? Because the question it is given, everything is open, less than zero, not given greater than zero. So less than zero, not equal to zero. That's the reason everything will be open in that case.
Okay,
Okay?
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. See, one more. Start this. Very good, Atharva. Tanisk, very good. Hari, very good. Very good, Rakshit. Put any value greater than 11, uske pehle open and close because this is given as less than equal to 0. -2, open, right? 11, open, 7, open. Right? But this is closed. Right? These three closed. Right? Put any value greater than 11. 11 minus 1, positive, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative. Right? 2 negative, 4 positive. Right? Only 2 negative. So 2 negative means minus into minus will be plus. So it has to start from positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, alternatively changing the sign, right? It is positive coming from infinity, right? Negative, then positive again, negative, then going for positive, right? What we require, what the question is asking. Right, the question is asking, look back into the question, this whole quantity must be less than equal to 0, means the negative one, this person, person, and here, right, we are getting 3 negative person. Now you have to write down the answer, right? -3 to -2, closed, open, union, 1 to 5, both side closed, union, 7 to 11. How many of you got right thing here? The completely right answer with less than equal to 0, right? Equality sign holds also. Yeah, very good. Okay, anyone want to ask anything regarding this? No? So shall I proceed? Now look. So this is the number line. When you have to take the number line, you have to make the number line, right? How to make the number line now, right? Now, suppose just I'm giving you an example, right? You have to be careful on this. Right? X minus 1, right? We know that if x minus 1 is given at 1, it will be 0. I'm dividing this into 2 parts, right? One question, x minus 1 to the power 3, other question, 1 minus x to the power 4, right? This we are going for powers, right? अभी तक में जितने क्वेश्चंस हमने पढ़े उसमें कोई भी पावर नहीं था. Each and every right function getting the power 1 only, right? Now it would be power 3, 4, 5, any integral power, right? Positive integral power that we have to check, right? So there would be 2 cases. First case I'm saying ki x minus 1 to the power 3, and second case I'm saying x minus 1 to the power 4. This is symbolic, right? This case is for odd power I'm giving, and this case is for even power I'm giving, right? So one is for odd power, one is for even power, right? So what is the difference in both this, right? So what I have to do, first I have to make number line for this, make number line for this, right? In both the cases, I know that it will be 0 at 1, it will be 0 at 1, right? In both the cases, it will be 0 at 1, right? But in this one, we know that if you'll put any value greater than 4, obviously both sides, it will be positive, right? But if we are putting any value less than 1, in the first case, 0, if you are putting 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 to the power 4, this having the power even, so this is making this positive. But in this case, you are getting negative, right? So for odd power, right, for odd power, you are getting both positive, but for even power, you are getting both positive, but for odd power, you are getting one side positive and other side negative, right? So what we have to do, right? For even power, what we'll do, we'll write this as 1 2 times. That will show that this having the even power. Even power means maybe it would be 2020, 2022, 2018. Any even power will represent that this as 2 times 2 will say that this having the even power, right? But in second case, we are saying if this having the odd power, odd means anything like power 3, 5, 7, 11, 111, 2019, 2021, anything, then it will change the sign, right? So in the case when we are getting this is having the even power, we have to denote this by writing 2 times 2 denotes this like x minus 1 having 2 times. What is the meaning of this? You'll understand here. See, like question is given x minus 1, x minus 3 upon x minus 5. This is having power 3, 4, 7 greater than equal to 0. Rest the thing will be same, but जो odd और even power है उसके लिए क्या working होनी है. So this is the number line, right? ये मैंने बना डाला. इस number line में we have to put the value this 1 odd power, so only one time I'm writing. X is equal to 3 even power, so I'm writing 2 times. 5 odd power, this power is right, this power is even, 4 is even, right? So x minus 3 we have to write in 2 times. 7 is odd, so x minus 5 we are writing 1 time. X minus 1 having odd power, I'm writing 1 time, right? So this is our numbers, right? And that's given in the number line system, right? Now again we have to start with, before starting this we have to see where this will be closed and open, right? At 5 this will be open, at 3 and 1 this will be closed, right? Put any value greater than 5, put any value greater than 5. So what you are getting, positive or negative? So obviously this is positive. So number line, right? VV curve, right? Then this having odd power, so it has to go to negative, but even power, so it will not change the sign. It was negative, so it will be negative and going up only, right? In this case, you can see this, like if you are drawing PV curve, this is positive and still this is positive, right? This is positive and both are positive, but in this case, this is positive and going to negative, right? So it's changing the sign, but this one is not changing the sign. So in this case, again, you can see this, if power is given and power is, right? In this x minus 1 having odd power, so you are writing only 1 time. X minus 3 having even power, you are writing this 2 times. X minus 5 having odd power, you are writing 1 time, right? And if it is 1 time, it is 1 time odd power, it will change the sign. If this having even power, it will not change the sign. अगर वो negative है तो negative रहेगा, positive है तो positive रहेगा. Now we have to start with our positive and negative, right? We have to start our positive and negative. So start with, in this case, we are starting positive, right? And this is negative, and this is positive. Look back into the question, what we have to write down, greater than equal to 0. So where this is positive, and right. So minus infinity to 1, union 5 to infinity, union 3, क्योंकि इक्वलिटी साइन वहां भी आ रहा है, राइट? नोट डाउन प्लीज, फिर मैं एक दो क्वेश्चन दूंगा, आप ट्राई करोगे, फिर मैं समझाता हूँ, राइट? ट्राई टू नोट डाउन, डू इट फास्ट. Rahil, raise your hand, please. Yes, ask.
Sir, why did you take 3 over there, union 3?
What is in 3?
Why did you take that?
It's in the numerator or denominator?
Numerator.
Numerator. Okay. So, and the question, what question is asking? They're asking for greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0.
Greater than equal to 0.
Okay. At 3, it is equal to 0 or not?
Yes.
At 3, this will satisfy our equality sign for this or not?
Yes, sir.
So 3 would be in your solution or not?
Yes, sir.
So should I write 3?
Yes, sir.
Right, that's the reason answer is going in this way. Okay, everyone. Right, even odd power. Shikhar, you want to ask anything?
सर
Yes, go ahead.
अगर हम लोग 4 लेते हैं पावर
किसका
नंबर
power?
लेते हैं 5 से छोटा तो 1 के पास तो पॉजिटिव होगा ना।
एक बार फिर से just ask.
अगर हम लोग 4 लेते हैं 5 और 3 के बीच में
नंबर कोई x की वैल्यू 4 लेते हैं।
हाँ
हाँ
तो वो 4 - 1 3 होगा ना।
4 minus
1
हाँ 3 होगा।
तो यहाँ पे 1 और 3 के बीच में नेगेटिव क्यों है?
1 और 3 के आप x की वैल्यू 4 पुट कर रहे हो और साइन देख रहे हो 1 3 के बीच में। आप x की वैल्यूज क्या पुट करना चाह रहे हो? पुट द वैल्यू।
हाँ
व्हाट इज द वैल्यू यू वांट टू पुट?
4
तो 4 तो कहीं यहाँ पर आएगा ना, इस जगह पर होगा ना 4, तो यहाँ का साइन वो बताएगा ना। तो 4 minus 1 is positive to the power 3 is positive, 4 minus 3 to the power even always positive, 4 minus 5।
हाँ समझ गया, कंफ्यूज हो गया था। और सर ये 3 का ब्रैकेट कौन सा है? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है? नहीं,
कर्ली ब्रैकेट बेटा।
अच्छा ठीक है।
प्रज्ञेश, go ahead.
Sir, I have a doubt. If it was only greater
Beta,
than
your voice is not coming proper.
sir,
थोड़ा सा माइक को पास में लाओ।
wait a minute. Can you hear me?
हाँ, now it's
Sir, if it was greater than 0, would 3 come?
no. In the question you are asking if in the question it is given that only greater than 0 not equal to 0, then certainly 3 will not counted there. 3 will not be included.
Thank you,
Right?
sir.
Durgesh,
Yeah, sir, I had a doubt. Why is 3 in curly brackets?
curly bracket means the discrete value, na? Only one value 3 you have to include. Only one value. And curly bracket is for the discrete values. That's the reason we have taken this in discrete one. Okay. Done. Rahil.
Sir, why do we have to write 3 2 times in the number line?
Where we are writing 3 in the number line.
Yes.
Because
why do we have to write 2 times?
This having the even power, just we have gone through this. See, x minus 1 power even. So we are writing 2 times. Thus we are making the concept if x minus 3 having even power or anything having even power, so you have to write it down 2 times. So you'll make sure key this is having the even powers, so you have to take 2 times maybe it would be 100 times or something, but it's a symbolic thing, right? It's having the even power or odd power. Okay. Okay. Right. So including this, you have to, right? Do it. Atharva, Atharva, raise your hand. Yes, please ask.
Sir, this wavy curve method means is this included in chapter or it is a separate chapter?
It's a chapter beta, and it's a, like you can say, it's moreover, you have to apply this concept in most of the questions when we have to check when our function is greater than 0 or less than 0, right? So like this is, you can say, the starting of each and every chapter. Why are you asking this?
Sir, I had a question in my mind, sir, regarding this.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
This having power 11, no? Done. See, this is the number line. 1, 2, -3, 5, 6. 2 and 5 open, all other closed, right? But we have to see x minus 1, 17, one time only, x minus 6, 11, one time only, minus 3 will be 2 times, right? 2 one time, 5 one time, right? Only one number, minus 3 is coming 2 times, right? We have to put any value greater than 6. Let 10. 10 minus 10 minus 1, positive, 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 negative, and having odd power. So overall this will be negative, right? So this is negative. Right? So it's starting with negative, right? It will change sign, it will change sign, it will change sign, it will change sign, but it will not change sign. Right? This is negative, right? Positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, right? What we required, what is our requirement? Right? Look back into the question, greater than equal to 0 means the positive part. The positive one is this one and this one only, right? Two portions are to be positive, right? So we have to write down the answer accordingly, right? 1 to 2, closed, open, union, 5 to 6, open, closed. But at -3, it will be 0, right? And that's not included in our number line. So we have to use a curly bracket that's known as -3. How many of you are getting this? शिखर केयरफुल बेटा, ये सब अभी इंक्लूड होने चाहिए. सलमान वेरी गुड, लिखित वेरी गुड, हरी वेरी गुड, रक्षित वेरी गुड. Tanis want to ask? Yes, go ahead.
Sir, in the curly braces, we can also write 1 and 6, no, since
1 and 6 already taken, na? See, there is a close bracket with 1. There's close bracket with 1, na? At 1 you have already taken close, and 6 also you have taken close bracket, na?
So, sir,
So both having the close.
I was asking if we write 1 and 6, it will not matter, no?
But why to write down the answer twice?
Okay.
Number 9 only we have to say this, na? Ki like one time I have taken, then why we are writing next other time the same thing, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Shikhar.
सर एक बार आप -3 वाला फिर से बोलिए ना.
क्या आप बोलो?
-3 वहाँ पे
-3
दोनों के नेगेटिव के बीच में.
-3 जो नंबर दिख रहा है, where is this number, in the numerator or denominator? Numerator. And question, it is given greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0?
Greater than equal to 0.
Greater than equal to 0. So at -3 this will satisfy 0 or not?
Yes, it will satisfy.
Satisfying. Our question is only greater than 0. You have to find only greater than 0 or greater than equals to 0.
Greater than equal to 0.
Right. If you are writing the answer, in between this, right? So you are writing this for greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0, right?
Greater than 0.
Also equal to 0, because at 1 and 6 it is equal to 0. But some more values are coming that's giving you equal to 0, like equality sign holds good for that numbers, right? What is that number?
3. -3.
-3. Should we include that number into a number line?
Yes.
Right. So what should I do?
Yes, I understood.
Write down the number. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
One more. This is very, 100% I can say welcome to class 11th, right? Welcome to class 11th, welcome to your competitive examination. सिंपल से एक क्वेश्चन में इतने फैक्टर्स सोचना इज ऑलवेज देयर कि यू हैव टू थिंक, राइट, लॉट मेनी थिंग्स, राइट, बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ में सोचनी पड़ती है. हितांशु, यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग?
सर ऊपर करेंगे पहले प्लीज.
यस.
सर वो -3 क्यों आया, मेरे को वो नहीं समझा.
Why you think if नहीं समझा means कि you are saying कि -3 नहीं आना चाहिए, right? मतलब what I'm taking as a teacher कि why you think कि -3 must not be included in your number system? क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है तेरे को कि -3 को मेरे को नहीं लेना चाहिए?
सर वो 3 + x raised to 10 था, तो सॉरी साइन चेंज हुआ. हाँ.
बट मेरे को जो क्वेश्चन गिवन है उसमें अगर ध्यान दो तो क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन है ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 होना चाहिए. एट एग्जैक्टली एट -3 इट विल बी 0, और 0 इंटू मल्टीप्लाई जो भी कर रहा हूँ एवरीथिंग विल बी 0, राइट? सो एट -3 0 इक्वल टू 0 वो भी सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए. सो ये वैल्यू जो है -3 पर दैट मस्ट सेटिस्फाई. दैट्स द रीजन वी आर टेकिंग दैट नंबर.
ओके सर, तो बात. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
Take your time. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's start. Right, number is going from minus infinity to plus infinity. It's -2, 1, 3, 4, 6. Now, -2 one time, 3 two times, 1 two times, 4 one time, 6 two times. Right, now open and closed. Right, -2 closed, because if this is given, it is equal to 0. At 1, this is closed. 3 closed, 4 open, 6 open. Right, put any value greater than 6. Right, 10. 10 minus this positive, positive, okay, even power, positive, even power. 10 minus 4 positive is positive. So overall, what we are getting is positive. Right, this is positive. Now wavy curve. Starting, not changing the sign, changing the sign, not changing the sign, not changing the sign, changing the sign. For even power, it's not changing the sign. For odd power, it has to change. It has to change. And accordingly, we have to see the values where this will be closed or open, right? And this is positive, negative, 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 positive, positive. Look back into the question. What is requirement? Requirement is greater than equal to 0, means positive or 0, right? Either positive or 0, right? In both the way, we have to write down either positive or 0, right? So minus infinity to -2 यूनियन 1 भी लेने हैं मेरे को, 3 भी लेने हैं, राइट? 4 ओपन टू इन्फिनिटी, 6 मेरे को नहीं लेने हैं, बट 1 and 3 curly bracket 1 3, right? Negation. What negation? 6. See, what we have to take? We have to take ये पूरी चाहिए थी, ये चाहिए थी, ये चाहिए थी, ये भी, राइट? ये चाहिए थी एंड ये चाहिए थी, राइट? ओके, तो हमने ये वो पूरा लिख लिया. वी कैन से कि इट्स फ्रॉम माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू -2 एंड 4 टू इन्फिनिटी, नॉट इंक्लूडिंग 6. 6 मेरे को इंक्लूड नहीं करने थे, राइट? 6 इंक्लूड मेरे को नहीं करने थे, तो दैट्स आई एम राइटिंग कि 6 को मैंने अलग से डिस्कार्ड कर दिया, राइट? क्योंकि 4 टू इन्फिनिटी में यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट 4 to 6 यूनियन 6 टू इन्फिनिटी, बट यहाँ पर मैंने उस तरीके से नंबर को रखा दैट विल बी इजियर फॉर मी, जो मेरे को आसान पड़े लिखने पे. बट ये लिखने पर मेरे को 2 नंबर, एक 1 जो था वो और एक 3 था वो, ये दोनों नंबर छूट गए थे, तो मैंने अलग से उनको ऐड कर दिया, राइट? अलग से उसको ऐड कर दिया, एंड जो 6 मैंने अपनी तरफ से ले लिया था उसको मैंने डिस्कार्ड कर दिया, राइट? ओके, यस हितांशु?
सर, जो दोनों कर्ली ब्रैकेट के बीच में जो साइन है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
नेगेशन. नेगेशन.
थैंक यू सर.
यस समय. यस समय।
हेलो सर।
यस बेटा।
सर आपने 6 को अलग ब्रैकेट में क्यों लिखा, 1 और 3 के साथ क्यों नहीं लिखा?
इसके साथ 1 3 के साथ 1 3 तो मैं लिख रहा हूँ यूनियन के साथ ना। यूनियन मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक द नंबर्स। यूनियन मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक द नंबर। नेगेशन मीन्स यू हैव टू डिस्कार्ड द नंबर। तेरे को नहीं लेने हैं वो नंबर। एक मिनट रुकना ना, एक मिनट बेटा, जस्ट अ मिनट। आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू दिस थिंग। ये तो नंबर लाइन है मेरे पास, बट मैं ये नहीं कुछ और तुम्हें शो करना चाहता हूँ। ये जैसे गिवन रहता है नंबर में ना, राइट। नंबर को हमें डील करना होता है। कैसे डील करें, राइट, कैसे डील करें? तो उसके लिए दिस इज रिक्वायरमेंट कि हम लोगों को नंबर्स जो गिवन है पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वो हमने यहाँ पर डील किए, राइट। अब इन नंबर को डील करने के लिए वी नो दैट जो मेरे पास गिवन नंबर्स हैं उनके लिए, राइट, जो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव होंगे, राइट। तो जो भी नंबर्स मेरे पास नहीं आ रहे हैं, राइट, उनको हमें नहीं लेने, मतलब 1 को जैसे यहाँ पर नहीं लेने थे, राइट। अकॉर्डिंगली जो हमारे पास गिवन क्वेश्चन है वो नंबर मेरे को नहीं चाहिए। अगर वो नंबर नहीं चाहिए तो मैं कैसे उसे डिस्कार्ड करूँ? तो वो डिस्कार्ड करने के लिए ये गिवन है कि मेरे को 6 लेने ही नहीं है। 6 पे ओपन ब्रैकेट है, राइट। तो 6 को मेरे को हटाना है। दैट्स द रीजन वी आर रिमूविंग द 6। ठीक है, ओके। मैं सीखा।
फिर मैंने
Yes.
लिखा था 4 to 6 ओपन ब्रैकेट में, यूनियन 6 to इंफिनिटी ओपन ब्रैकेट में। वो भी सही है ना?
सही है बेटा, बट ये भी ख्याल रखना आंसर के ऑप्शन में अगर ये दिया हुआ हो तो यू हैव टू गो फॉर दिस वन। हाँ, दोनों दोनों सही है।
हाँ, थैंक यू।
ओके,
यस सर।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन। हरी, यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग? हरी, रेज योर हैंड प्लीज। जैसे क्वेश्चन हो जाए लोअर कर लिया करो हैंड, दूसरों के लिए मौका रहेगा। यस हरी, प्लीज गो अहेड। यस हरी, प्लीज। हरी, are you able to hear me? Ask. अनन्या, ask.
हाँ सर,
Yes.
कर्ली ब्रैकेट में 1
Hello?
और 3 क्यों लिखा है?
क्योंकि मेरे
सर
को
अगर हम
1
लोग x की वैल्यू 6 से थोड़ा
एक
ज्यादा
मिनट हरी,
7 लिए हम लोग x की वैल्यू,
एक
x की वैल्यू अगर हम 7 लिए तो हमें नेगेटिव मिल रहा था तो पॉजिटिव। हेलो सर।
बार फिर से पूछो प्लीज। हाँ हाँ बेटा, पूछो फिर से एक बार।
सर अगर आपने x की वैल्यू अगर हमने 7 ली, 6 से बड़ी ली है अगर। हेलो।
हाँ, यस यस, गो अहेड। हाँ, 7 ली x की वैल्यू आपने, तो क्या हुआ? यस हरी, 7 ली आपने तो क्या हुआ बेटा? हेलो। आई गेस कि हरी सर ये बोलना चाह रहा था कि 7 हमने ली तो ये नेगेटिव आएगा, शायद कहीं पर कंफ्यूज हो रहा हो। तो यू हैव टू सी दिस, 7 लेने पर ये पॉजिटिव आएगा बेटा। ये जो नंबर दिख रहा है तुम्हें ना, इसका पावर इवन है। पावर इवन होने पर दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव।
हाँ सर, अगर हमने एक्चुअली 7 ली तो सर नेगेटिव से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए ना, तो पॉजिटिव से क्यों स्टार्ट किया है?
कैसे आप बता रहे हो नेगेटिव से? गो अहेड, कैसे नेगेटिव आएगा? हाउ वी आर सेइंग कि दिस विल बी नेगेटिव? हरी, इट विल बी पॉजिटिव बेटा, क्योंकि 3 - 7 आप करोगे ना, उसका पावर इवन गिवन है, वो नेगेटिव आने के बाद भी पावर इवन होने के साथ में दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव, दैट्स द रीजन यू आर गेटिंग पॉजिटिव ओनली। ओके,
हाँ
अनन्या,
सर। हाँ, इधर आपने कर्ली ब्रैकेट में 1 और 3 क्यों लिखा है?
तो 1 3 के बारे में व्हाट यू थिंक, क्या लग रहा है? 1 3 नहीं लेना चाहिए? क्या माइंड में क्या आ रहा है, क्या होना चाहिए 1 3 के
1
लिए?
और 3 लिखा है क्योंकि इज इट इक्वल टू 0 इसीलिए लिखा है।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, गुड
तो फिर
ऑब्जर्वेशन।
अगर वो इक्वल टू 0 है तो -6 क्यों किया? क्योंकि 6 भी तो 0 से इक्वल है।
0 के तो इक्वल है, बट x = 6 पर ये 1/0 आएगा ना। और याद करो, हमने शुरुआत में ही ये स्टडी की थी, डिनोमिनेटर में कोई भी चीज हो तो वो कभी 1/0 नहीं हो सकती,
ओ
राइट?
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
बट ये न्यूमरेटर में थे 1 और 3, तो न्यूमरेटर वाले को तो 0 कर दिया, बट डिनोमिनेटर वाले को यू कांट इक्वेट विद 0, दैट्स द रीजन वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट।
ठीक है।
Okay? थोड़ा से कुछ कंफ्यूजन बच जाते हैं, बट वी हैव टू बी लाइक वेरी केयरफुल इन दैट to get perfection in this. Essentially, we have to go right. See, do it fast. Done. Very good. Very good. Yes, Rudra. Rudra, raise your hand.
Hello,
Ask.
sir.
Yes, please.
Question says that the sum is lesser and equal to 0, and there is no negative sum in this. So what should we do? I'm not getting the answer.
Okay, so where this will be equal to 0, then that only you have to write. But in the number line, you'll get few portion that would be negative. Check your number line once again. Should I start? Done, everyone? Okay. See, this is number line, means from minus infinity to plus infinity, all the number we are writing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 10. Let's start. 1, 1 times, 2, 2 times, 3, 2 times, 4, 2 times, 6, 1 time, 10, 1 time. Now open and closed, right? 1 closed, 3 closed, 4 closed, 10 closed. All the other will be open. 2 and 6 will be open, right? Now put any value and check the sign. Put any value greater than 10, like 12. 12 minus 1, positive, 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 positive. Everything is positive, right? Done, everyone? Right? So everything is positive. So we have to start with positive, right? So in the number line, the wave is coming positive. It will change the sign. It will again change the sign. It will again change the sign. So overall, it will be, right, something like this. We are getting, right? And this is positive, 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 positive portion. And these two portions are said to be negative. रुद्र आ रहे बेटा दो पोर्शन नेगेटिव, राइट? और जीरोस भी कुछ है मेरे पास, राइट? कुछ जीरोस भी मेरे पास हैं, दैट वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, राइट? और देखता हूँ मुझे आंसर्स क्या चाहिए. नेगेटिव. लुक बैक इनटू द क्वेश्चन. नेगेटिव मेरे को चाहिए, राइट? ये पोर्शन एक नेगेटिव हुई, इक्वल टू 0 भी है, ये भी चाहिए मेरे को. ये पोर्शन भी एक नेगेटिव हुई, ये भी मेरे को चाहिए. इक्वल टू 0 वाले पोर्शन ये है और सब तो यही हुए, राइट? इतने पोर्शन है दैट वी हैव टू राइट इन द आंसर. ओके, लिखते हैं आंसर, राइट? Two is the denominator and 1/2, 1/0 is not defined. That's the reason we have not taken 2. Right? So minus infinity to 1, union 6 to 10, union 3 and 4. This could be the answer. How many of you are getting the correct answer? Please write down yes. What? Fast, fast, do it fast. जितने लोगों के सही हो, please write down yes. Durgesh. Yes.
Sir, yes,
Hmm.
I had a doubt. Why will 2 not come in curly brackets?
Why you want to take 2? Just I'll ask why you want to take 2, because at 2, what is the value? Look back into the question. If you will take x is equal to 2, what you are getting?
Okay, sir. Got it.
1
0.
by 0. 1
Denominator
by
0.
0.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Samrup.
हेलो।
Yes.
हाँ सर, हम लोग ऑड नंबर्स को क्यों नहीं ले सकते, मतलब जीरो में?
ऑड नंबर को मींस बेटा
मीन्स कि सपोज x माइनस 1:7 है, तो फिर हम लोग 1 को भी ले सकते हैं ना कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स में।
लिया हुआ है बेटा, यहाँ पर क्लोज आपने जब लिख दिया, यहाँ जैसे आपने यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ आंसर में जिसमें आपने क्लोज 1 लिखा हुआ है, मींस यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन 1।
अच्छा, तो फिर
इवन
वापस इंक्लूड करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
एक ही चीज को 2 बार लिखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। इवन ऑड से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, पावर के इवन ऑड से केवल मतलब है, नंबर के इवन ऑड से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। ओके
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू।
और कोई पूछना चाहेगा कुछ? डन। दुर्गेश, want to ask? Okay, now Ananya, yes please.
यस सर, जो भी इवन पावर्स न्यूमरेटर में है उसको कर्ली ब्रैकेट में यूनियन में डालना है ना?
No, not necessary. If the question they are asking, or they are asking if this is equal to 0, less than equal to 0, then only you have to go for this. If they are not giving any equality sign, they are saying only greater than 0 or less than 0, so why should I take the values? The values satisfying our condition, only those number has to come in my answer. Okay. Yes.
थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रहा है, शायद से और क्वेश्चंस करने पे क्लियर हो जाएगा।
फिर से एक बार सुन लो। We have included number 3 and 4 only because in the question it was given less than equal to 0. Equality sign was there. Maybe if I am giving you the question only less than 0, right? Not equal to 0. So like 3 is satisfying the given condition? No. 4 is satisfying? No. So will not take those number into the answer, right? Yes, Shikhar.
सर अगर क्वेश्चन में इक्वल टू साइन नहीं है, सिर्फ लेस देन 0 है, तो कर्ली ब्रैकेट लिखेंगे नहीं ना?
क्वेश्चन देख के करते बेटा, ऐसे हवा में बात हो जाएगी तो समझने में दिक्कत जाएगी। मैं क्वेश्चन देता हूँ, राइट डाउन। Yeah. This time I'm not giving equality sign, right? Only greater than 0. Take your time. 3 minutes for you, but careful. x minus 4 power is 6. वेरी गुड तनिष, चेक कर लेना अपने आंसर को एक बार प्लीज. Samroop, very good. Salman, Shwetal, Hitanshu, Rakshit, very good. Rudra, Rahil, Anay, very good. Ananya, do it fast. Okay, let's start. One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10. 1 is coming twice, 2 is coming one time, 3 is coming twice, 4 is coming two times, 6 is coming one time, 10 is coming two times, right? Open and closed. 1, closed. 3, closed. No, right? Not required. Why? Because everything is open, not given anything closed there, right? So everything will be open, right? Yes, I'm getting message, Shikhar. Right? Everything is open. No closed thing in this. Why? Because in the question it is given only greater than 0, not equal to 0. Right? So everything must be open. Right? Now, we have to start from greater than 10 value, right? So we have to check where this is positive or negative when you are putting value greater than 10. Like we are putting value 15, right? 15 minus 1, positive, 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 positive. Everything is positive. So we must write this as positive. And now we have to make the wave, right? This wave is coming, right? From positive it is coming. Now again positive. So now change the sign. Again, not changing the sign, not changing the sign. Now change the sign, but this time not change the sign, right? This is positive, this is positive, this is positive. And where I'm getting this negative sign, so see, we are getting where we are getting this negative sign. This is negative, 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 right? And right. So few portions are coming as positive and few portions are coming as negative. And what we required, we have to write down, look back into the question. The question, what they are asking when this will be greater than 0, right? So greater than 0, so this person, and here you can write, right? So like we can write down the answer in previous way, right? But you have to be careful while writing the answer, right? We can write as minus infinity to 2 union 6 to infinity, but negate the value, negation of 1. We have not to take this value, right? 1 and 10, right? We are not taking two values, 1 and 10. This is dangerous thing. 1 and 10. Why you are not taking this value? Because at 1 and 10, this will be equal to 0, but equal to 0 is not satisfying. So our answer is coming as, right? This could be our answer form. Correct, correct. Oh, very good. वाह, इस बार कमाल किया आप लोगों ने. कितने लोगों का करेक्ट है? जल्दी जल्दी लिखते जाओ तो देखूं. How many of you are getting? Ha, very good. दुर्मी, very good. दुर्मी के तो आज मैसेज ही मेरे को नहीं दिखे हैं. रसी, very good. सलमान, very good. दुर्मी, all okay? लिखित. तेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन ऊपर है लिखित अच्छे से. हरी, very good. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Anand. Yes, tell me.
Sir, if I've written minus infinity, comma 1 union, 1 comma 2 union, 6 comma 10 union, and 10 to infinity union, is it still
Very
correct or wrong?
100% correct. Very good. Very good. One way of writing the answer is that one only. Minus infinity to 1, 1 to 2, right? 6 to 10, 10 to infinity. Very good. Huh? Not bad. And that is correct. And this one is also correct. Both the answers are correct. Right? Okay. One last, right? It's coming one last question. And एक अच्छा सा गुड बाय क्वेश्चन तो बनता है, राइट? Right? Do it fast. Okay, see, plus infinity 1 2 भी रख ही लेता हूँ 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 times 2 2 times 3 2 times 4 1 times 5 2 times 6 1 time 7 1 time, right? Now with close and open, right? 1 per closed, 2 per open, 3 per closed, 4 per open, 5 per closed, 6 per open, 7 per closed, right? Now check any number greater than 7, positive, 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 everything is positive, so it will start with positive. So this is coming with positive, right? Positive. Now, so number is coming with positive, right? It will change the sign. It will change the sign. Not changing the sign. It will change the sign. Not changing the sign. Not changing the sign. Not changing the sign, right? So positive, and we required this is positive, this is positive, that's it. And negative we are getting at this is negative, 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 right? So we need something like that where we have to be very much cautious. What we require, look back into the question, we need the positive one, the positive portion, this one, right? Positive but equal to 0 is this one, right? This is again equal to 0, right? और सब तो मेरे पॉइंट्स ले लिए, right? इतने पॉइंट हैं जिनको मुझे आंसर में अब कन्वर्ट करना है, right? Right? ये भी इक्वल टू 0 है, वो ऑलरेडी नंबर के बीच में ही आ रहा है, right? इक्वल टू 0 यहाँ पर ना। इट्स गुड वे टू सी द आंसर। मेरे को नहीं लगता अब हमें दिक्कत जानी चाहिए, राइट, आंसर लिखने में। So start. We need positive and this 4 to 6, 5 include हो गया है. That's the reason I'm not writing 5 तक या 5 क्या 4 to 6. Union 7 to infinity, 7 close, infinity open, union 1 3. ये भी मैंने इंक्लूड कर दिया, राइट। ये कुछ आंसर ऐसा है। अनन्या, अनन्या, यू वांट टू आस्क?
नहीं सर, वो रेज हैंड करना ऑफ करना भूल गई थी।
ओके, शिखर, यू वांट टू आस्क?
5 का नेगेशन नहीं होगा?
5 का नेगेशन क्यों? 5 आना चाहिए या नहीं आना चाहिए? नंबर लाइन पे
आना चाहिए।
आना चाहिए। तो नेगेशन का मतलब तो होता है नॉट टेकिंग दैट नंबर ना।
हम लोग 4 to 5 यूनियन 5 to 6 भी लिख सकते हैं ना?
नहीं, 5 को भी तो इंक्लूड करना है। 5 पर क्लोज देना पड़ेगा कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हें।
मैंने आंसर लिखा,
हाँ,
ओपन 4 5 क्लोज
चलेगा। और फिर देन आफ्टर दिस 5 ओपन टू 6। हाँ,
क्या
यू हैव रिटन, आप बोल रहे हो आपने 4 to 5 ऐसा लिखा, यूनियन क्या लिखा 5 to 6 ऐसा?
नहीं, 5 पे भी क्लोज्ड,
दो बार क्लोज्ड।
हाँ,
2 बार क्लोज तो नहीं होने चाहिए थे। चलेगा, बट थोड़ा सा ऐसा लिखना अधिक अच्छा रहता, राइट। यहाँ तक मैं ओपन तक रखा, फिर 5 से बाद में स्टार्ट कर दिया, ये लिखना अधिक अच्छा, ठीक है।
ठीक है।
I guess everyone is getting this, right? एक बार बेसिक कंसेप्ट पर आप आ जाएंगे। कुछ टर्मिनोलॉजी मैंने आप लोगों को बताई थी, अगर याद हो लास्ट क्लास में। ओपन ब्रैकेट, राइट, 1/0, सेमी, ओपन क्लोज्ड, राइट, क्लोज्ड ओपन, राइट। ये कुछ पॉइंट्स थे जो मैंने आप लोगों को बताया थे, राइट। सी नेगेशन, एक ये वाले पॉइंट है जिसमें आप लोगों को थोड़ी सी परेशानी जारी है। ध्यान दो, नेगेशन का क्या मतलब है, इसी स्लाइड्स के आगे मैं ले जाके दिखाता हूँ। याद होगा ये आइसक्रीम वाला एग्जांपल मैंने दिया था आपको ओपन के लिए, राइट। व्हेन यू हैव नॉट टेक द, डब्बा नहीं खाने हैं, कप नहीं खाने हैं, राइट। अल्टरनेटिव यू हैव टू ईट कंप्लीट। दिस इज फॉर डिस्क्रीट वैल्यूज। ध्यान दो, यहाँ डिस्क्रीट वैल्यूज जो हमारे पास है ना, केवल ये डिस्क्रीट है, राइट, कहीं कंटिन्यूएशन नहीं है। ये डिस्क्रीट कुछ भी खाना है तो डिस्क्रीट ये सब खाना है, तो इसलिए इसे हम लोग डिनोट करते हैं डिस्क्रीट वैल्यूज के लिए। अगर ख्याल हो तो नेचुरल नंबर को भी आप जब रिप्रेजेंट करते हो ऐसे ही करते हो ना, राइट। ये लिखने का मतलब ये होता है 1 के बाद 2 नहीं, 1 2 3 4 इंडिविजुअल काउंट, राइट। होल नंबर लिखते हो तो क्या लिखते हो, 0 1 2, ऐसे ही कर्ली ब्रैकेट में रहते हैं वो, इसीलिए वो कर्ली ब्रैकेट यूज किया जाता है, राइट। नाउ ये नेगेशन मतलब यू हैव नॉट टू टेक द वैल्यू, ये ख्याल रखना, राइट। वो नहीं लेने हैं मेरे को, राइट। नॉट टू टेक द वैल्यू इज कॉल्ड द नेगेशन, ठीक है। ओके, चलो आज के लिए इतना ही रखता हूँ, नेक्स्ट क्लास भी आप लोगों की होगी ना। टेक केयर एवरीवन। शिखर, यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग? Gitansu, you want to ask?
Sir, just want to request, can you send previous lecture recording?
Beta, I'll send. But not
and
in the
today's
group.
too.
Not in the group, beta. I'll send it into the website. If you are not able to get in the website, just message me. I'll guide you how to go there.
Okay, sir.